wanted to tell all these IA participants, the Garbha which you receive, every day, maybe 3-4 minutes, just put that Garbha on your third eye. The third eye will be continuously active and manifesting more and more powers, even which you have not started manifesting here. That is like a Sadashiva in the form of powder. So just put that Garbha on your third eye. It is like a infusing my intense energy directly. It is equivalent to some 100 energy sessions.
Nityanandam. Actually, it is third eye Shakti. When few days back I was trying for various other power manifestation, and yesterday they have started this power manifestation session. Then I actually got a click. The click is that complete surrenderness will only help us. Nothing other than that Shakti and all. It is only by surrendering yourself, the Shakti will automatically bless us. So I just started, and also I have decided that whatever it is appearing in my thought, I have to just share, irrespective of right or wrong. Then I started like that. That is how I'm able to tell that. And one more thing is that then I realized yesterday night, it will also help us in the day-to-day activities that if you are negotiating with one of the vendor, you know what is the vendor actual price. Instead of paying extra, you can pay lesser than that. And one more good thing is that also whenever you are in marketing, you can also know what are all the problems with the customer, and instead of we ask and you answer, better you yourself continuously answer, by which he will be exciting and get the order. You can get the order also. It is going to be amazing. And one more thing is that the people mind is actually whatever they are thinking, whatever they are doing, everything is coming inside you. And if you know, just irrespective of your logical mind intervening on the thought process, better allow. And then from there you can operate. It will be a very successful process. Thank you, Nityananda.
Nityananda, I think the coolest thing about the manifesting power session and progressing in the third eye is you learn so much about yourself. When I first started trying to read, I felt like I wasn't seeing anything, even though there was some vague things coming up, and I realized that was just my self-doubt, and I never go for what my first instinct is. So when I learned to trust myself, the blindfold reading and all the other powers became clearer. And up until yesterday, I was still doubting myself a lot, doubting whether what Swamiji was showing me was really what I should be seeing. But Mahayoga helps me a lot to ease that doubt, because she told me whatever Swamiji is showing you, whether it's that person's house or another house that's connected to them, he's just playing with you and he's expressing through you. So that feels amazing. And one more thing I'd like to share is I hope my brother, my family is watching right now, because I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you these powers. It's no more me coming back from programs and telling you, all these kids can do this, all these kids are so amazing. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you that I have the powers as well, and we can have some fun together.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much for your amazing surrender to Swamiji. Great. I would now...
Actually, people are afraid that I may take away their house, life, money, time, spouse. No, a spouse, I think they are not afraid, they are very happy. Child, whatever. That is why they are thinking that surrender is difficult. I tell you, anything which is useful for you is useless for me. Be informed. What is useful for me in you, which you don't even know, which is your consciousness. Understand? Only thing useful for me in you is your pure consciousness through which I can radiate. That's all. Nothing else is useful for me. The money you have, your age, your beauty, your whatever you think is very, very great and important for you, your house, car, bank balance and other luxuries, or your time, whatever you think, Nothing has use for me. So understand, when you surrender, the only thing I taste in you is your pure consciousness through which I can radiate. That's all. Nothing else. So relax. Ask the people who have surrendered, have I taken away anything from them? I only gave me to them. Just relax from this stupid fear. When you surrender, the only thing I do, I just swallow all your patterns and destroy them and radiate me through you. That's it. I don't want to take few minutes. Answer this one of the important question I get from the day one. After we go back, what all practice we should do. From the day one this starts. Please understand, I am not technique teaching Guruji. I am enlightenment sharing Sadashiva. All I will tell you is, whatever you think has helped you best here. I have so many things offered. Morning yoga as per Sadashiva, the original yogic scriptures, morning yoga. Then Panchakriya from the original agamic scriptures. Then you do the puja directly from Agama. And then you do Kirtan, which is also directly from Sadashiva. Even the steps I designed. Understand? I sat with my Rudraganyas. Even the steps, I have given them precise instruction what Sadashiva wants as a dance, and we designed the steps. And Kirtan, morning satsang, whatever has helped you is helping you. Imbibe as much as all this possible in your life. Because the moment I give something as technique, your stupid mind says, I am not able to practice it. Can you give one more technique to practice this technique? And you always have problems. If I say, do all this morning 5 activity, oh, it is taking too much time, what shall I do? Then what do you want me to do? You want me to come and brush your teeth in the morning and put the enema can and... Oh. No. You need to have priorities. What is exactly, what do you want in your life? So all the time asking me for technique and then complaining I don't have time and I am not able to do this, I am not able to do that. Asking me for a technique is equivalent to ordering exercise equipments and not opening it for 2 years. How many of you have done it? Please raise your hand. I know. When you see the TV ad, some well-built man, 6-pack, 18-inch biceps, swinging around in some app machine, or this machine, that machine, and call now, call now, call now, call now, call now, you call now, an order, and it is lying on in your garage, did not open it or read the manual for 3 years. That is exactly you are going to do if you ask me, give me a technique, Swamiji. No, really. Understand, I introduce a lifestyle, not just technique. I introduce lifestyle. So as much as possible, adopt the Sadashiva's recipes. It's already there free in the website. As much as possible, practice Sadashiva's yoga, which already whole thing is available in the website. I am not the guy who keep all this secret and sell and make money. No. Whatever I am teaching, the whole yoga is already in the website. The morning Panchakriya already in the website. And Satsang, of course, it's live relayed. And the Kirtan, live relayed. Puja, already in the website. And all the Sadashiva's recipes, Bhagashastra, already in the website. I have given everything. As much as you can adopt. And if I tell you to take up this or that, you will immediately come back with the question, I don't have time, what to do? Then what do you? So all I can say is, I am lifestyle sharing guru. I'll be very happy if you pick up all the best things I have shared with you guys in these 21 days and enjoy them, imbibe them in your life as much as you can, and make this as a habit of imbibing more and more every day, every week, every month. Always, if I give a technique, first you will start doing 25 days a month, then it will become a 15 days a month, then it will become a 7 days a month, and after a year, oh, I went to the program and learned something. But nowadays I am not doing it. That's where you end up. So understand, I am not, of course, it's not that I don't give techniques, I have given you enough. Even now what I said, that put the garba on your third eye every day, 5 minutes is the technique. It's not that I am not giving you technique. All I am trying to tell you is, don't reduce me to the technique guru. I am not technique guruji. Understand? So, Mysore Road teaches you lifestyle of Sadashiva. Mysore Road teaches you lifestyle of Sadashiva. So, please understand, if at all you ask me, give me a technique, I'll only say this. Imbibe all this as much as you can. Maybe I can give you one word. Every day, watch satsang. That will take care of everything. That will take care of everything. That will keep your inspiration up. That will keep you rejuvenated, updated, everything. Mahayoga, continue.
Swamiji once told us that people ask, oh, why are you expressing powers? Because the ordinary way of living life is just completely worthless. It is not that we're all running around only showcasing the powers, but even the people who come and stand in front of you simply know as if you are solution. They come and see you like a solution. So it's extremely exciting for us adults, and even more exciting for children who have their whole life ahead. I will only like to round up the manifesting power demonstration with one thing. All the three people who came up on stage and demonstrated so beautifully one of Sadashiva's extraordinary powers from the space of oneness, they will be today receiving the Trinetra Tilak from Swamiji, just how he wears. It is a symbol that your third eye is awakened and that you are radiating Sadashiva's power. In our Nityananda Sangha, whoever you see wearing this tilak, it means they are not just initiated, they are expressing it powerfully, inspiring for the only one purpose of inspiring others to also live and radiate Sadashiva's powers. I want to say, Ma Swarupa Priya, why don't you lift that, the Jnananjana, and show it to people? You can see that Ma Swarupa Priya is now carrying the Jnananjana pot on her palm. Anybody who is immediately taking action towards the program of cosmic proportion, Sadashivoham 2016 in Sadashiva's home at the Pidati Bengaluru Adinam, you will be receiving this Jnananjana which the demonstrators had applied. You will be applying it every day, experiencing the incredible power of transformation in your relationships, in your personal life, in your professional life, even before you come to the program. You will be receiving exactly that little pot, which is enough to last you for about 2 months. You will be applying it every day. Every day the third eye will be awakened. You will be like heated up corn. When you come to Swamiji, you're simply ready to pop. There's a It's an amazing thing. You just saw the whole demonstration, and it is not ordinary people who spoke to us. CEOs, people working at restaurants, people who live the regular big life. I think it tells us something, that it's time to really change the way we see life, the way we see us. Swamiji says life starts with seeing. I think we should all start seeing as Sadashiva. You want to start seeing as Sadashiva? Come to Sadashivam. We are waiting to welcome you. Swamiji, the great avatar, has planned extraordinary things for the first time in the universe. As humanity is experiencing all of this, made so simple for us. So welcome. We are waiting for you. See you soon. With that, I hand over to Ma Nitya Swarupa Priyananda. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you, Ma Mahayoga. With every inner awakening that happens, these manifesting powers sessions become more and more impressive. And I think I speak for everyone when I say how incredible it is that the power demonstrated today, the house scanning, is something they just started to play with yesterday. And the detail is so clear, 100% accurate, it's just amazing. Now I'd like to introduce more participants who have even more experiences to share, starting with Tushani, who is the mother of the 2 Inner Awakening children from Toronto who just gave a demonstration.
Nityanandam to all. My name is Tushani and I am from Toronto. This is the first time I saw that my kids were expressing power, the blindfold reading, and I was so shocked to see they are expressing, because whenever I see them, they were playing with their iPods, sleeping and interacting with the kids. I even thought about Swamiji.
I also do the same thing. They are following me, that's all.
They don't even
Just now, even in between the glimpse, I was playing with my iPod.
They don't do the Panchakriyas. They don't do the yoga.
No, that and all I do properly.
Then I thought Swamiji gave so much freedom to the kids. Beginning when we came also, like they were so resist to come. They didn't want to come because they were in teens. They don't want to miss the school and friends. They even fought with me. They said, why you are taking away from the school and the fun and all? Do you know how much we are going to miss? And they don't know Swamiji before. So they said, who can in the world give this much of power? And why you believe all you hear? They even advise me not to believe all you hear. Now I'm so blessed and see they were expressing the power.
That is not exactly the meaning of the sloka. Anyana timirandasya jnananjana shalakaya chakshurur militam yena tasmai sri gurave nama. When the ignorance covers me with arrogance and blinds the eyes, you put the eyeliner and open the eyes, the enlightenment eyeliner, and open it. Oh my Guru, I bow down to you.
So every time Swamiji talk about the vegetarian food lifestyle, my son looked at me, staring at me, and after that ran to me and say, you know, Mommy, I'm not going to eat vegetarian. You make sure that, okay? You make sure cook me chicken. He even told to their mass, they were explaining how the vegetarian food is good for them, and he said to the ma, did you ever try chicken? If you ever tried chicken, you wouldn't be vegetarian now. Then yesterday my daughter asked Swamiji, wrote a letter that she wanted to be a vegetarian. And I would like to share one more experience, the very first experience, the first day. I am so admired by Balasans dancing. They were, the move, the fast move, the energy, they continuously dancing, we couldn't follow them. I think like where they are getting this energy from. And I have this vertigo problem that I can't spin my head or